continuing with the topic of latitude and longitude. And remember, I've shown you how to get the distance on great circle, distance on parallel to the latitude or small circle. Then the other one is the shortest distance between 2 points. So the shortest distance between 2 points, this is how we determine it. So if you have, for example, a point P, which is 50 degrees north and 70 degrees west, and Q, which is 50 degrees north and 110 degrees east. Now, these are the points. I want you to view it in 3 dimensions. So this is the latitude 50 degrees. So on this latitude, we have a point P, which is 70 degrees west. And we have a point Q, which is 110 degrees east. So there are 2 ways that you can be able to get the distance between P and Q. One is using this length here. And to use that length, this is what we call parallel to the latitude. Parallel to the latitude because I'll get the angle difference between these 2 points here. So angle difference tulisema it's also known as alpha, na itakuwa 110 degrees plus 70 because one is on the east and the other on the west. So ukiadd unapata 180. Then you use the formula of the distance parallel to the latitude and you get this. Then you can still get the distance between P and Q by moving from P to the North Pole, then from the North Pole to Q. Now, if you are standing at the North Pole, hapa N, how do you view P and Q? So from the equator, this is our equator here. So this will be your point P and this is your Q. So you are at the North Pole here. So P will be 50 degrees on this side of the equator. Then Q is also 50 degrees because they are both on the same latitude. 50 degrees on this side of the equator. So the angle between them viewed from the North Pole is supposed to be 180 minus, because 180 because this is a straight line. So 180 minus 50 plus 50, which give us 180 plus, 50 plus 50, that is 100. So 180 minus 100, it's 80 degrees. Then we use the formula of great circle. And the formula of great circle is theta over 362 pi r. In this case, our theta is the angle difference between P and Q viewed from the North Pole, which is 80 degrees. So tutachukua 80 over 60 times 2 times 22 over 7 times 63, 70. Hiyo ndio inatupea 88.97. So if you compare the two give us the distance between P and Q. But this one, the distance is shorter. So we always say the distance on the great circle is always the shortest distance. So I want you to note that you can only work out this shortest distance when one of the point is on the east and the other one on the west and an angle above 90 degrees. So the angle should be above 90 degrees. So the shortest distance is the distance along the great circle. The distance along the great circle viewed from the North Pole. Hope you have understood.